Okay, my peeps, let's make some patriotic popcorn. So I got these cups from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to take a toilet paper roll. I cut it down to fit on the inside of the box. The cup. Because we don't want to make a lot of popcorn. We just want to make enough to go on the top. And we don't want to waste any product filling up a whole cup. So I took a piece of cardboard. I cut it out a circle to fit on the top. And now I'm going to go around with my glue gun just to make sure that the cardboard is stable and it's not going to move or come off, okay? So just make sure you go all around that edge, okay? So now I'm going to show you how I make the popcorn. So I've done this before, but you just roll a piece of clay and then you cut it into fours and then just push the little pieces that you cut down just to look like popcorn. That's so easy. You can make tons of it. You can make it any color for any occasion, for any holiday. I mean, it's very easy and cute. So now I'm just going to roll out some white clay to go around the rim of my cup. Because you know what? I noticed when I make popcorn, sometimes you can see through like where the popcorn doesn't. Because you know, popcorn is an odd shape. So you're going to have like openings and areas that are not going to look like it has any popcorn or anything in it. So I'm just filling up the edge so that when I put my popcorn down, you don't see the cardboard, okay? So now I got a little piece of a foam ball because I want to make a mound of popcorn. But like I said, I don't want to use a lot of product, so I'm just going to build up on what I have. So I made a bunch of popcorn in pink, oh my goodness, in red, white, and blue for our patriotic popcorn. And now you just take those popcorns and you just put them randomly here, there, and everywhere, you know, and you build up. Once you put your first layer, you build up on top of the second layer, and you keep going up and up until you fill up the whole, until you cover up the foam ball and it builds up like a mound, okay? So then I'm going to take some of the popcorn and I'm going to go back around the edge. These pesky glue webs are terrible. So I'm going to take some of the popcorn and I'm going to go around the edge and fill out, you see those little spaces that are open? I'm just going to put some popcorn in those areas so it comes all the way to the edge of the cup. Okay, sometimes you can just cut a piece of the popcorn because you might not need a whole kernel. You just might need a little piece and just fill in those spaces, okay? You just want it to look full, that's all. So now I'm just going to take some tacky glue and I'm going to brush that on top of my popcorn, all over my popcorn, on every kernel, because I'm going to sprinkle some of that patriotic sprinkle mix that I have. You can get some from Play Code 3. I have a discount code in my bio if you want to get you some. So I just sprinkled it all over. There you go. That's it. And just, you know, tap out all the extra that didn't stick. And there you have it. Your patriotic popcorn. It looks so cute. I love it. Make you some. It's pretty easy. The popcorn kernels are easy to make and you can just fill up a cup. Talk to you later. Bye.